lesson exists for science and is called Sink or Float. And first we're going to explore which objects sink or float. So I want y'all to pass these around, and I want you to really feel it and make a prediction on whether this will sink or float.
I think this.
Really? Feel it. Feel its weight.
I think the carrot's right there.
What do y'all think? Do y'all think these objects will sink or float? What do you think, Louise? Do you think that duck will sink or float?
Well,
Why do you think that?
look at the light.
Because of light?
There
What do you call?
How about the boat? How about the boat?
It's floating.
Well,
The transportation
You think that boat will sink or float?
well,
Okay. And
No.
why do you think that?
Stop it.
Why do you think that?
The duck will float.
The duck will float.
the lead of the tree.
The boat will float.
The lead of the tree.
The boat will float.
Okay, now out out there in front of you, you have your graphic organizer. On the top, it says things that float, and on the bottom, it says things that sink. Okay? So as I put, or as we, let's take turns, as we put the object in the water, if it sinks, you're going to put that in the top, or the other you're going to put on the bottom. Does that make sense? Does everybody understand what we're doing?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good. Okay, so which one do we want to start with?
Oh,
Shampoo? Okay, David, I'm going to let you do it first.
ready? Well,
It's floating. Good. Okay, so find that, and I want you to glue that
I want to go.
to your graphic organizer. That's it. That's it. Good.
Oh, yeah, you did a lot.
I want to go.
Okay, we do that next? Okay, first I want you to tape it on here. Okay, or not tape, the glue, with your glue stick. Okay? And then I'll let you do the button.
I've been out. I've been up.
On the up. This is things that float. Good. Okay. We ready to move on? Louise is dying to do the boat, so let's see if that sinks or floats. Hey, it floats. Good. Good. Okay, now find the picture of the boat. And I want you to put that on your graphic organizer.
Where it is? Where it is?
Okay. Find the boat. Find the picture of the boat. You got one.
No.
Right there. There it is. Things that float. Okay. Okay, which one do you want to do next? Okay, wait, let's let Brittany take a turn. She's taking a turn now. How about you, Brittany? You're going to do the duckies. Do you think this will sink or float?
I think it's gonna float.
You think it's going to float?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Well, remember.
Ready?
Yes! Now, guys, why do you think that this ducky is floating?
Because he has he had this. Then a bottom.
Because it's light, right? Why else?
Put the cranberry.
Why else do you think he's floating?
Look, you have a hat.
The reason is because it's buoyant. The scientific reason an object sinks or floats is its buoyancy. And buoyancy is the upward force that keeps things afloat.
I can't find a ducky.
Okay? Listen, when we place it in the water, an object will float. If the buoyancy is greater than its weight, and it'll sink if the weight is greater than its buoyancy. Does that make sense? Okay, let's test a few more objects and see, okay? How about...
secondary staff will
Now, let's let you take a turn.
Ready?
It floats! Good! And what was that word again? What was that word again that I said?
Float.
The other big word.
I can't.
Started with a B?
Buoyancy.
Buoyancy.
I can't find a duck.
Let's find something. What do you think is going to sink out of my object? What do you think?
Carrot.
The carrot? Okay, let's see.
Ready?
Hey, you are correct, David.
Ooh.
So take the carrot to the things that sink.
A sink.
Handle? I can't find the duck. I can't find the duck, please.
Because the weight is greater than its what?
Look.
That big word.
I think
The
we
weight is greater than its buoyancy. Buoyancy, remember? Buoyancy?
Man, I can't find the duck. I find this. No, I can't find the duck.
Okay, well, it's in there. We'll find it. All right, what object do we want to do next?
Ooh, it's through the.
Let's find one that'll definitely
duck,
sink.
okay.
Ooh, rock.
Yes.
One.
Lie down.
It sinks.
The bottom.
Good. So let's put that on the sink, on your graphic organizer.
The bottom.
Take that,
Good.
Rocky.
Good job. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Say it